Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a special way to prepare your porridge beans. Here is already parboiled beans, which I am now going to be frying the palm oil and pour inside the beans. Here is my star Maggi. Here is chopped onions. I have here the salt. Here is palm oil inside this plate, and here is dry pepper. So first thing to do is now to place my pot on the fire. So I'll be placing the pot on the fire. I'll allow the pot to get dried, and I will then be pouring in the palm oil inside the pot. Pouring in the palm oil. You can see that the palm oil is bleached. I'll now be pouring in the onions inside the pot. So now you can see that stirring the oil is bleached. I'll now be pouring this oil inside my beans. I'll then mix it together. So now you mix it together because this beans has already been parboiled. So I'll now add salt. And also add Maggi inside the pot with the pepper, with the dried pepper. You now mix it together. You can see that the beans is almost ready. You then cover your pot and allow it to steam a little while so that everything will mix inside. So now I'm going to be opening the pot again. You can see that the beans is steamed very well and all the ingredients mixed inside. So with this is an easy way to prepare beans. Now the beans is ready. I'll be bringing out the pots. Now you've seen that the beans is going to be eaten with plantain. You can see vegetables on top of the beans, the porridge beans that was fried. This is how to prepare your porridge beans. You see, I had to fry it and I'm serving it with plantain. And you can see vegetables on it. This is cucumber and also sliced fresh tomatoes. With my sauced leaf there. If you love this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share my video with your friends and families. For events, you can always contact me, Ukeme TV, and I'll be there to deliver good services at your doorsteps. So this is how to prepare your porridge beans. See you guys in my next video. Bye.